check out my new Fiat 500, yo. Stay tuned. Obviously, it's not my car because it's not a Vauxhall, but we're going to be doing a little bit of work on it today for a good friend of mine. It needs new discs and pads on the front because it's just failed its MOT. So today's video, we're going to be changing discs and pads on a Fiat 500.
So we've just taken the wheel off. So what we need to do now is we just need to tap this pin out, and then hopefully that will allow us to swing this whole thing up and be able to get the brake calipers, the brake pads off. So now the brake caliper's off, what we need to do now is just take this bracket off with the two bolts behind. I think they're 18mm, we'll find out in a minute. Get this off and then we should be able to pull the disc off then. $17mm bolts, yeah, not 18. Bracket off. It's now time to get the disc off. Brake cleaner just whilst I was off camera then, and now we're going to fit it onto the hub. Sector. So now it's time to reinstall this bracket and then put the brake caliper with the new pads on. Oops, almost forgot. Don't forget about your little sensor. So that just goes into the bottom of your brake pad like so, on the back one there. And then we'll just plug into that little plug there like that.
side done, now on to the next. It's cold out here today, jeez. Random little helpful tip. So if you're like me and you can't find your wind back tool anywhere, this is actually just a sealant gun, you know, for like the sealant you put around your bathroom and all the rest of it. So what I've done is I've just squeezed that in between there, put the bar on there, and then if we pull the lever, that will wind it back. If we just do it gently, just bit by bit. That winds it back like so, and then if you release, and therefore you'll be able to now put your new brake pads. Also as well, just a little safety tip is obviously you see me jack up the car and the ground I'm working on probably isn't the best. You can still see some of the snow. The 2 seconds it takes to put an axle stand underneath it, especially when you're working like me with your legs under the car, I'd definitely recommend it. So, you know, make sure you're safe guys and make sure you use them axle stands. Even if you're only doing a quick 2-minute job, the 2 seconds it takes to just shove one under is a matter of saving your legs really. Right, so to put it into perspective of just how much money we've saved just by doing that job ourselves. So this is the MOT failure slip, and the garage where she took it to change the front brake pads quoted at £86.67p. To change the front discs, even though it wasn't a failure, it was still, it needed doing. They quoted at £98.40p. Now I went to Your Car Parts. Now I'm not a garage, I'm not like a business or anything, so I don't get any discount on parts and whatnot, but for the new brake discs and the new brake pads cost me £57.47p. Now for this garage to do it, they would have quoted £185.07p to do it.
I've just done it for £57 and 47p. That's a massive saving. She's saved £127 and 60p. That's ridiculous. It's crazy. So it's, you know, it just goes to show just how worth it, you know, how much it is so worth, you know, taking on a job like this yourself. It's not that hard, you know. This is probably taking me about half an hour, but I've done loads of breaks before. You know, this might take you a couple of hours, but you know, to save £127 and 60p, it's so worth doing it yourself. So give it a go.
So guys, I hope this video has been some use to you on how to change your brakes on your little Fiat 500. You know, it's been a massive saving taking this job on yourself. You know, 127 quid or whatever it was. It's huge, you know, for such a simple job. It took me about half an hour to do it. You know, if you've never done it before, it might take you a little bit longer, but it's something definitely worth giving a go yourself. And don't be overwhelmed that it's, you know, oh god, it's brakes, all the rest of it. You know, if you take your time and you do your studying and you watch the videos, you know, it's such a simple job you can do yourself. So give it a go. If you like these videos and you want to see more, then make sure you press that like button, press the subscribe button. I upload videos once every week or so. And you know, it's always full of all useful tips and tricks of how to do stuff yourself and save yourself a massive fortune. Thanks for watching guys, and until next time, laters.